Hello students, we are going to study the topic molecular mass and then mole concept. Okay, so what is molecular mass? It is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of a substance. It means what? We will add all the atomic masses of the atoms in the molecule of the substance. Okay, so here this molecular mass is the relative mass of the substance itself. Okay, and in what it is expressed in atomic mass unit, or you can say simply say U. U also means what? Unified mass. Okay, so now let us understand this molecular mass with the help of example. Okay, I have taken the example of water. Okay, water formula is H2O. Okay, so if here two atoms of hydrogen is present and one atom of oxygen. Okay, and what is the hydrogen mass? It is 1 atomic mass unit, and for oxygen it is 16 atomic mass unit. But here two hydrogen atoms are present. So what you have to do? You have to multiply that 2 with the atomic mass. Okay, so you will get how much? Only 2 U, and here oxygen is only 1, so only 16 U. Okay, it will be multiplying only 1 into 16 comes 16 only. Okay, and then what you will do? You will sum up the atomic masses of what? The hydrogen atoms and the oxygen. It is how much? 2 plus 16, that is how much? 18 U, or 18 unified mass we can say. Okay, now HNO3. HNO3 is what? Nitric acid. In nitric acid only one hydrogen atom is present, one nitrogen is present, and 3 atoms of oxygen is present. So what you will do? Atomic mass of hydrogen 1, atomic mass of nitrogen 14, and oxygen it is 16, but here 3 atoms are present, so you will multiply 3 into 16, and then what you are going to do? You will be summing it up. 2 plus 14 plus 3 into 16, it comes 48. So 48, when you will add it up, you will get 63 U, or 63 unified mass. Okay, now methyl alcohol, okay, or you can say methanol also. Here its formula is CH3OH. So C only 1, H 3 is present, 3 atoms plus 1, 4 atoms are present. Okay, and oxygen only 1. Okay, so how it is written, we will be doing in that manner only. Okay, carbon atomic mass is 12, so 1 into 12, because only 1 atom. Hydrogen it is 1, but here atoms are 3, so 3 into 1. Oxygen it is 16, only 1 atom, so 1 into 16, again 1 hydrogen is there, so 1 into 1. Okay, so when you will sum it up, okay, 12 plus 3 plus 16 plus 1, you will get 32 unified mass, or 32 U. Okay, this is how you calculate the molecular mass of any given substance. So next we are going to study formula mass unit. Okay, or formula unit mass. Here actually what is this? This is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula unit of a compound. So what is this formula unit of a compound? Actually this formula unit mass is used for the ionic substances. Initially also we have studied about what molecular mass, in that also we have written H2O and all. Okay, they are not ionic substances. Those substances which are not ionic in nature, for that we take out the molecular mass. But if the substances are ionic in nature, we take out the formula unit mass. So it is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula unit of a compound. For example, if we take calcium chloride, okay, calcium chloride, okay, calcium, what is the atomic mass of calcium? It is 40 U, okay, and chlorine it is 35 U, but here chlorine is 2 atoms. So you will multiply 2 into 35.5. Okay, so when you will take out, you will get what? 111 U. Okay, like that you can take it for potassium carbonate also, K2CO3. Okay, here K atomic mass is how much? 39. Okay, but here 2 atoms of potassium are present, isn't it? So what you will do? 2 into 39. Okay, carbon it is only 1, atomic mass is how much? 12. So 1 into how much it will become? 12. Okay, now oxygen 3 atoms are present, and for 1 atom the atomic mass is how much? 16. Okay, so for 3 into 16, so you will get what? 78 plus 12 plus 48, 138. isn't it? Simple one also you can take NaCl also, it is also an ionic compound, okay? Okay, so if you take off this sodium, it is only 1, so its atomic mass is how much? 23U, and for chlorine it is how much? 35.5. So when you will add it, how much you will get? 58.5. Okay, so this is the what formula mass of what? NaCl. Okay, so for all the ionic compounds you will be taking out formula unit mass. Okay, rather than the ionic substances you will be taking out what? The molecular mass. Okay, so when you say you about chemistry, okay, what do you say? Ma'am, reactions are there. Okay, it means reactions are very important in chemistry. Okay, we were studying about what? The molecular mass, formula mass. Okay, but how we will apply it? Okay, it will be in the form of reaction only, isn't it? In the reaction only we can apply those symbols also, those formulas also, those molecular mass also. Okay, so here for explaining that I have taken one example like H2 plus O2 gives H2O. I have written here 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Okay, so here actually basically if we say about what? The mass, molecular mass, okay, and then we represent it, okay, it becomes bit complex. But if we are replacing that with numbers, okay, it becomes easy. So when we are saying what? 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O, it means what? 2 molecules of hydrogen, okay, and 1 molecule of oxygen, okay, gives 2 molecules of water. Okay, so basically we can now define mole as that 1 mole. Okay, it can be for atoms, okay, any atom you can take, okay, it can be of molecules like O2, okay, it can be of ions like Na plus, Mg2 plus, Ne, okay, it can be of particles, okay, but the quantity in number having a mass equal to its atomic or molecular mass in grams. Now here change comes, okay, change occurs. That is in grams. We were studying molecular mass, atomic mass unit, formula mass, atomic mass unit, okay. But here quantity, here the quantity which we have got, okay. Like when we calculated for water, it was 18, isn't it? 18 atomic mass unit you got, 2 plus 16, 18. Unified mass you got, isn't it? But here that quantity is now being replaced by a quantity of a number, and when you are using number rather than the whole big quantity, it becomes easy. And here that unified mass is now what? Replaced by what? Grams in terms of what? The mole. Okay, so to get 1 mole, same numerical value of molecular mass, but this unified mass is what? Replaced by grams. Okay, like if for water you are getting, we are writing 18 unified mass, you can write what? 18 grams. Okay, getting? Now here 1 unified mass of hydrogen, it says only about 1 atom of hydrogen, isn't it? Here that unified mass is only replaced by 1 gram of what? H. It we say what? 1 mole, okay, of that hydrogen atom. Okay, like that if we are saying about water, okay, so if I am saying 1 mole of water, how many grams it will consist? Only 18. Getting it, everyone? So here the whole mass, whole everything is replaced by a number, and this number is what? The mole. So 1 mole of anything, okay, it consists of fixed number of particles, atoms, or anything you can say. That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This number is fixed for 1 mole of a substance. Okay, so like if I say you 1 dozen, how many number it will consist? 12 na? वैसे ही 1 mole of anything, any substance, it will consist of how many particles, atoms or molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, now the number of particle, okay, the number of particle of 1 mole is always fixed, as I said you right now. It is how much? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and this is only known as Avogadro constant or Avogadro number, and it is represented by N naught. Okay? Now, one atomic mass or one unified mass of hydrogen, okay, is equal to one atom of hydrogen. ये भी पढ़ा हम लोगों ने. So here 1 gram of hydrogen, when we are saying, it says about 1 mole of hydrogen, and that 1 mole of hydrogen will consist of how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 what? Atoms of hydrogen. Okay, so this I have said to you about this mole concept. More we will be moving on in the next video with the numericals and the formula, and we will be seeing when we are getting anything, when we are saying 1 mole here, how we will be calculating it, okay, the mole of a substance, okay, we'll be seeing in the next video. So good day, take care.